Welcome to Quick Crochet Creations, your go-to app for fast and fun crochet projects. Dive into a collection of 10 delightful crochet tutorials, each designed to be completed in just around 10 minutes. Craft a charming little hamster or a vibrant butterfly. Create a cheerful daisy or a classic granny square. Make a soft fuzzy hair tie or a dreamy cloud. Crochet a mini heart or a cute little doll bag. Need some quick tips? Tap the button for handy crochet tips to enhance your skills. Our user-friendly interface makes it easy to follow along with each video tutorial, perfect for both beginners and experienced crocheters. Ready to start creating? Download Quick Crochet Creations today from the Google Play Store and transform your yarn into delightful projects in no time. Quick Crochet Creations, crafting made quick, fun, and easy.